Welcome back. Today we're on the sun-drenched shores of Key West, roasting a whole suckling pig from scratch. We're elevating this roast with local flavors, using our signature mango fusion seasoning and hot sauce. First, let's lay down our hardwood bed. A steady, low and slow fire pit is key for crackling skin. Get your coals glowing white hot. You want even heat distribution across the entire spit. Here's our 20-pound suckling pig, cleaned, pat dry, and ready for seasoning prep. Score the skin gently in a diamond pattern. This helps render the fat and crisp the skin. Open up the cavity completely so our mango spice marinade penetrates every inch of the meat. Start with a generous layer of coarse sea salt, inside and out, to draw out moisture. Squeeze fresh, local key lime juice all over. The acidity tenderizes and cuts through the richness. Now for the magic paste. Mix 4 tablespoons of mango fusion seasoning with garlic and olive oil. Welcome back. Today we're on the sun-drenched shores of Key West, roasting a whole suckling pig from scratch. We're elevating this roast with local flavors, using our signature mango fusion seasoning and hot sauce. First, let's lay down our hardwood bed. A steady, low and slow fire pit is key for crackling skin. Get your coals glowing white hot. You want even heat distribution across the entire spit. Here's our 20-pound suckling pig, cleaned, pat dry, and ready for seasoning prep. Score the skin gently in a diamond pattern. This helps render the fat and crisp the skin. Open up the cavity completely so our mango spice marinade penetrates every inch of the meat. Start with a generous layer of coarse sea salt, inside and out, to draw out moisture. Squeeze fresh, local key lime juice all over. The acidity tenderizes and cuts through the richness. Now for the magic paste. Mix 4 tablespoons of mango fusion seasoning with garlic and olive oil. Thoroughly rub this tropical rub into every scored cut on the skin. Don't forget the interior cavity. Heavy seasoning here infuses deep flavor into the loin. Stuff the cavity with fresh mango slices, cilantro, and citrus to steam interior flavors from within. Stitch the belly closed tightly with food-grade butcher twine to trap all those rich aromatics. Insert the rotisserie spit rod carefully down the center along the backbone. Anchor the spit fork securely into the shoulders and ham so the pig turns evenly without slipping. Bind the front and back legs firmly to the center rod with stainless steel wire. Our coals are ash white and radiant. Perfect timing to set the pig over the pit. Position the spit about 24 inches above the coals. Moderate heat prevents burning. Start the rotation right away. Continuous spinning guarantees uniform rendering. 1 hour in, the skin is drying nicely and picking up a beautiful golden sheen. Let's prepare our basting glaze. Butter, fresh mango juice, and 2 heavy tablespoons of mango fusion hot sauce. Baste every 20 minutes. This creates a sweet, spicy, caramelized crust over the skin. Listen to that sizzle. Dripping fat hitting wood coals builds that authentic beach BBQ smoke profile. Replenish coals around the edges, keeping direct, intense heat away from the middle belly. 2 hours in, the mango fusion glaze is locking in moisture while building unbelievable flavor depth. Check internal temperature in the thigh. We're looking for 160 degrees Fahrenheit. A final coat of pure mango fusion hot sauce gives us that fiery Key West kick. For the last 15 minutes, boost the heat underneath to puff and crisp the skin into chicharron crackling. Look at those blisters popping. That skin is gonna shatter like glass. Perfect. Let's pull our suckling pig off the heat and let it rest on the cutting board. Letting it rest for 20 minutes redistributes juices back into the loin and ham. Hear that crackle? That's perfect crunch achieved through steady heat and mango glaze. Carve into that tender shoulder meat, juicy, aromatic, and infused with sweet mango. Dice up 2 cups of this tender roasted pork. This will be the star of our fried rice side. Now for the side dish, Key West pork fried rice. Get your wok screaming hot over high flame. Swirl high heat peanut oil to coat the bottom until it starts to shimmer. Toss in fresh garlic, ginger, and scallions. Stir fry for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add our fresh roasted pork cubes. Let them sear and crisp up around the edges. In goes fresh diced ripe mango and red bell pepper for island sweetness and crunch. Dump in cold day-old jasmine rice. Break up clumps quickly so every grain stays separate. Keep tossing constantly to capture that smoky wok hay flavor over intense open fire. Drizzle soy sauce and toasted sesame oil around the rim to sear sauce instantly. Season the rice directly with a generous dash of mango fusion seasoning. Mango fusion seasoning. Add 2 big swirls of mango fusion hot sauce to tie the side dish straight to the roast pig. Push rice aside, scramble 2 eggs till soft, then fold them right back into the grains. Finish with fresh green scallion tops and toasted cashews for extra texture. Spoon the vibrant fried rice straight into a hollowed pineapple for tropical beach presentation. A final drizzle of mango fusion hot sauce right over top of our pineapple vessel. Plate slices of juicy roasted pork right beside our sizzling mango pork fried rice. Look at this feast.
crisp mahogany suckling pig paired with sweet and spicy pork fried rice. Listen to that crunch. That's the ultimate result of proper rendered fat and mango glaze. Taking a bite of the roast pork first. Incredible, tender, juicy, with a fiery tropical finish. Now for the pork fried rice. The wok smokiness, combined with mango fusion seasoning, is out of this world. The sweet mango citrus balances the rich pork, while the hot sauce brings real heat. Look at how tender this interior meat stays when cooked low and slow over open fire.
Nothing beats outdoor pit roasting, right here on the beach in sunny Key West. Grab your own bottle of mango fusion seasoning and hot sauce to recreate this epic roast at home. If you love this step-by-step recipe, give us a share and leave a comment below. Thanks for hanging out with me in Key West. Happy roasting, and I'll see you on the next cook. For more recipes, visit us at keywestspice.com.